Okay, I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the layer method, where you solve the top layer first, then the second layer, and then you flip it over, and there's a bunch of different steps but to solve this bottom layer so that all the pieces are in the correct place and oriented with the colors. You know, this cube belongs here, but make sure the colors are in the right place. So the first thing when you start playing around with the Rubik's Cube is to get to know the cube a little bit. So I'll mix this one up. And there are three kinds of pieces on the cube. There's the center pieces. There's 6 of those. And then there's edge pieces. Edge pieces have 2 sides to them. See? This piece only has 2 colors on it. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 edge pieces. The edge pieces, like I said, have two sides with 2 different colors on it. Then there's the corner pieces. The corner pieces have 1, 2, 3 sides with 3 different colors on it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn it over, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 corner pieces, and they're on the corners of the cube. Now, the center pieces, there's also the center pieces here. And the center pieces, there's 6 of those, right? And the center pieces, just so you know how this cube is constructed, they are always in the same position in the cube in relation to one another. In other words, let's find the white centerpiece. The white centerpiece here, and the centerpieces have 1 color, and they're always in the center of a side. The white centerpiece is always opposite the yellow centerpiece. No matter what happens, which way you turn the cube, white is always opposite from yellow. Then if you look at the blue, blue is always opposite from the green. These never move in relation to one another, no matter how you move the cube. Green will be opposite of blue. Then you have orange and red. Orange is always opposite the red. No matter how you move the cube, find the orange piece and the red will be on the other side. You don't need to memorize that, but that's just so you know that those pieces, the center pieces, don't change in relationship to one another.